Hello guys, welcome back. Have you ever seen greenish or brownish layer appearing in the planted aquarium? It is easy to clean it out with big magnetic scrubber, but in certain cases where plants are nearby it becomes difficult. So I am going to make a nano algae scrubber for cleaning planted aquarium and harder to reach surface in aquarium. Using it you can easily clean surface of aquarium without causing much disturbance. To make the nano algae scrubber, you need two small flat magnets, small container like this one dishwashing scrubber and one epoxy adhesive like this one shown here. First start by taking out the foam from the dishwashing scrubber. We need rougher surface for removing the algae, so take them out. Now it's time to make the epoxy adhesive. It is essential to use epoxy adhesive because it is water repellent and does not dissolve in water. Now put some adhesive onto the inner surface of the lid, then place the flat magnet on the adhesive. Next put the adhesive on the scrubber piece that was taken out. Then place magnet on it and place another scrubber piece on it to make this sandwich layer of scrubber and magnet. After 24 hours you can start using the scrubber made called nano algae scrubber. As you can see, you can clean the aquarium surface without causing much disturbance. Now you can see the difference to a much clean and transparent aquarium surface without uprooting any plants or displacing any rocks. And this scrubber is perfect to clean where it requires cleaning without disturbance. You can easily clean it, store it with your other aquarium cleaning tools. Here you can see the difference of using the nano aquarium cleaner. The result is much cleaner aquarium without any disturbed water or decors. Check it out in different lights. Now it's time to feed the fish. I hope you can make your an nanoalgae scrubber and use it to have much cleaner aquarium. That's it for this video. Check out other cool videos on my channel page. Like and share this video and subscribe for watching the upcoming videos. Until next video, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.